Hello guys, welcome to this Canva class. In this class we'll make an awesome logo in Canva. So let's search for Canva in Google. So you'll see this www.canva.com. This is the website that we are looking for. So here you'll have to sign in. Let me sign in with Google. Once I have signed in, this website will appear. This is where you will choose what we want to design or what I want to do. Look at the top right side corner of the top right side. There you will see a button called Create or Design. Click on it. You can simply put Canva is like Photoshop. Okay, Photoshop has many tools, but it is quite hard to master it. But you can create beautiful designs or anything, almost anything in Canva. In very fast time. So our goal here was to design a logo. So let's click on logo. How? Create a design, then click on logo. So now a canvas will appear. This is where we'll design our logo. Okay, this is like a paper where you dribble or you draw. It's similar to drawing. So let me choose. On the left hand side there are things called templates, photo, elements, text, video. You can choose any of this thing to create your own design, but we'll choose a template. Let's choose the first template. Okay, so let's create a company. What shall we call it? Since we have chosen wolf, we can choose anything or change anything out here. So this, the outermost part which is in dark blue, is like paper whose color is blue. So let me change this color of the paper. You click here on the left hand side, and here you can change the color. Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, I like this one. Okay, so these are individual elements which can be changed. Let me delete this one. Simply I will need to press delete button after selecting it. So what should we name our company? Let's say. So how do I choose this? I click on this, double click on this, then I can go inside it, and let me say it's Wolfie. Okay, since it's a wolf, let me call it Wolfie. So I don't like the white color, so how do I change its color? So I do is I select the entire of it, Wolfie, and at here the bold A, click on here, it says text color. I choose similar to the one that we did to the background. I click on the text color and this palette will appear. So let me choose yellow. Okay, yeah, the yellow looks nice. So how do I think it's little bit too small, so how do I resize it? I click on this text and I can just pull here, so it is getting bigger. If I want it smaller, it will become smaller. I think it is okay. So let's I don't like the black. I want the eyes or things like I want to change the color in the wolf. How do I do it? I click on the wolf. Here you see the colors used in the wolf. If I click on black and choose any color, the color in here will change, but I didn't like it. Now how do I change it back to as it was before? So just click on Ctrl Z. It's similar to what you do in computers. So I think I'll change this white to yellow. Okay, now the eyes and the ears have turned yellow. Is there anything else we'd want to add? For example, let me try it out. What if I change this blue to red? Okay, our wolf looks better. No, it's so I think this logo looks good. So how do I download it? Okay, I don't want to copy it. I just can. On the top right side you see a button called download button. You can just press on there and it will ask for you what type of file you want to download. Just choose PNG, JPG or PDF, any format you want. I want a PNG, so I'll download PNG. Then in order to unlock these extra features you need to pay, but our goal here is not to pay. We want it to be done free and fast. Okay, so just click on download again. After that it is preparing the design. So the design has been downloaded here, it's right here, skylar1.png. so I click here, so voila, our design has been downloaded. Now I can do anything with this design. It's free and I can use it anywhere I want. So this is how you create a logo in Canva. You can do many other things and change designs and stuff like that. You can go to text. Let me add Wolfie, something like wolfie.com. okay, let me choose choose any of this template. It's similar to the template that we chose above. Let me choose this one. I clicked here, so this will appear. I don't want the upper part, so I do is I delete that one. I just want this to have our www.wolfie.com. so the best thing about Canva is, now let me put it right here. Okay, so on the best thing about Canva is now I can close this. Okay, close this and reopen our design anytime we want, and it will still be there in the cloud, and we can download it whenever we want. So guys, so congratulations, you have just created your first Canva design. See you again.